Something broke.
Yes, it did.
It broke at the right time.
We need to get a towboat to the beginning of the first turn, please. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag. Starting to get a feel for it. John's not going to feel good. Why not?
Yeah, well, makes sense.
How do you learn?
White flag, strip around flag.
Yes.
Got it.
Brady is a great kid. His mother's not allowed to have anything to do with him. The fella, the kid in the 12, his mother's not allowed to have anything to do with him. Legally, she's got to be out of the picture. His dad has trained himself out, but for a while his dad was featured on Washington's Most Wanted. He's trained himself out. So Caitlin and Chris have legal guardianship, partial legal
White
guardianship.
flag, please. White flag.
He is the nicest kid you ever want to. We'll see if John lets him win so they can throw him in. So let's see if John lets him win so they can throw him in for his first heat. I forgot about that.
There you go. That's pretty.
Yeah.
That's just
Yep.
pretty.
Oh, that the warm up, the three boats tagging the start line
yeah.
side by side was great. You see that John has trouble. I want to let him win. I want.
White down, check it out,
Keep his foot
please.
off the throttle.
He's gonna let him do it.
Oh my gosh.
Something broke.
Yes, it did.
It broke at the right time.
We need to get a towboat to the beginning of the first turn, please.
Something sounded funky, like 10 yards before the finish line is when something started to go away on that. Yeah, I heard it. But you, radio, make sure Braden gets thrown in anyhow. That's his first heat win. That's Braden's first heat win, so somebody on his crew, make sure he gets thrown in. Later.